Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a Microsoft Authenticator not showing a prompt or code. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and first check your phone's notifications and battery settings, especially for this app. So you hold the app, click on App Info, and then come here, click on Notifications, and make sure you have allowed notifications. Okay, and what you also want to do is just make sure that the app is enabled to run and send alerts, and your date and time for your phone is actually synced, right? Make sure of that, because otherwise you're going to have issues receiving those prompts and notifications. And what you also need to do is just make sure that your Authenticator app, right, it's actually updated. Because if it's not the latest version from the App Store, the issue can persist. And you can also go ahead and re-add your account to the app by scanning the QR code from your Microsoft security settings to reset that as well. So that should fix your issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.